Hey 3100! Well, this is a really quick video to set you up for our activities this week. I'm actually really excited for this week and how much I think you're going to learn, even though we're not doing a really traditional class. So the agenda, of course, is posted on eLearning, and once you're in there, what you'll see is that you're going to, of course, you're watching this video already or there, you're going to meet with your team online this week. My recommendation for that is that you would use Zoom to do that meeting. There is an option within Blackboard, if I were to, let's see if I can move my screen over. Now that I've moved it over here, right there where it says Blackboard Collaborate, your team also can go to your Teams page, and once you are in your team, my demo account is not, but once you're in your team, you will also see that link and you can use it just like Zoom. My preference though, you're going to be using Zoom in the real world, so this is an awesome time to go ahead and try it out. So meet with your team. The next thing that you'll see on the agenda, I'll go back here, is that you're going to prepare the slides for your presentation. Most of you were already doing that online, no big deal. I am recommending, if you haven't already, a LinkedIn Learning video on time management. Dave Crenshaw is pretty funny. He's the guy who did it. He's a really popular speaker. So if you have time, or if you're finding you're not having time, that might be actually the one to watch, where it talks all about productivity and how to balance working from home with everything else I know you have going on right now. There's also an article posted on how to use Zoom, totally optional, and then my Q&A wiki on the informational interview. So, any big questions on that assignment posted there? You do want to be working on that now. In fact, if your other classes are slow, I'd suggest knocking that essay out right now so that you can move on with the class. Next week, you will be turning in your presentation, so my final bit of advice is to go ahead and check what you need to do for next week. Your team could go ahead and work ahead and get that presentation done and submitted, or even work all the way ahead towards the end of the semester. The only thing that you can't do ahead of time is the peer reviews for the presentations. You'll need other teams to post before you can post comments. So good luck. Welcome to the real world of online communications with your Zoom meeting and all of your distance collaboration right now. I think that you as a generation, as a school year, will develop incredible skills for communicating in a global environment because of what you are learning right now in all of your classes. Good luck, and please email me or reach out if you need anything.